Hello, dear lovely viewers. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing great. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm here to practice my speaking English. Let's go. Let's go to practice about self-reliance. Self-reliance means স্বনির্ভরতা. Self-reliance means depending one's own life. It's really great, but so self-help is the best help. So everybody must rely on his own abilities to be self-reliant. A self-reliant man has confidence on his own ability. He takes heart in the face of difficult. সত্যি স্বনির্ভরতা একটি মহৎ গুণ এবং সর্বোত্তম সাহায্যই হলো নিজেকে সাহায্য করা। ইটস কল সেলফ রিয়ালেন্স। So thank you all those who watching my video. Bye, see you another video.